Physics is a branch of science that seeks to understanding the fundamental principles governing the behavior of the values. Here are 7 continents. Number 1, classical mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, relativity, quantum mechanics, nuclear physics, optics, and that was the 7 continent of physics.
Hi guys, I am Engine Cadet Katampisan and I'm here to report the heat and temperature. Heat and temperature are a related concept of in thermodynamics, but they have distinct meanings. Number 1, what is heat? It refers to the transfer of energy between two objects or systems due to a temperature difference. It is a form of energy that flows from another hotter objects to a colder object until the equilibrium, a colder object. Number 2, what is temperature? Temperature, on the other hand, is a measure of the average kinetic energy. It is important to note that temperature does not directly measure the amount at heat present.
Once again, I am Engine Cadet Shuttle.
And I am Engine Cadet Katampisan.
Classical mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics,